Welcome back to our channel. Join us as we explore the best practices for a fleet manager to optimize fuel consumption and reduce operational costs. Fuel costs can contribute to over 30% of the total operating expenses for fleet managers. So let's explore essential strategies fleet managers can implement to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce costs. Number 1. Vehicle maintenance. First and foremost, keeping your vehicle's tires properly inflated is crucial. Correct tire pressure not only enhances safety and handling but also contributes to better fuel efficiency. Regularly changing air filters is another essential step, as clean filters allow the engine to breathe efficiently, leading to improved engine performance and fuel economy. Tuning the engine at recommended intervals ensures that all components are functioning optimally. Number 2. Efficient route planning. Leveraging GPS technology and route optimization software, organizations can strategically circumvent traffic congestion and curtail travel duration. Number 3. Driver training. Educating drivers about fuel-efficient driving techniques plays a pivotal role in fuel conservation efforts. By advocating practices such as gradual acceleration, consistent speeds, and minimizing abrupt braking, companies can significantly improve fuel efficiency. Number 4. Monitoring and telematics. Telematics systems offer invaluable insights by tracking fuel consumption, engine performance, and driver behavior. Number 5. Proper load management. Preventing overloading and ensuring even weight distribution minimizes strain on engines, translating to optimized fuel consumption and reduced wear and tear. Number 6. Alternative fuels and technologies. Electric vehicles, EVs, hybrids, and compressed natural gas, CNG, vehicles offer promising eco-friendly and cost-effective options. Number 7. Data analysis and optimization. Regular data scrutiny fosters a feedback loop of improvement, minimizing costs and environmental impact. By implementing these best practices, fleet managers can save costs, reduce emissions, and contribute to a more sustainable future. To know more, feel free to visit our website, www.allrideapps.com. Thank you for watching.